Hi there, this is Jennifer with Rome Fields, and today is day 11 of our 21 days of lace knit stitches. And today's stitch is a lace chevron and feather stitch, and I really like this because it's super easy pattern. It is a 9-stitch repeat and a 2-row repeat, but you'd only have to remember 1 row because the wrong side row is all purl stitches. So really, really easy to memorize. So I did bump down to a size 11 needle with this yarn because I really wanted more stitch definition with my chevron part. So we'll get started here. So the first stitch we're going to knit into, and then we're going to yarn over, which actually creates a very nice border, and I really like it. So I might be using that in some patterns. So knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, and then we're going to knit 2 together. So we kind of get a little bit of a lean there for the chevron going in, and then we're going to SKP. So we're going to slip, knit, pass over, oops, pass that stitch over, but I have to find it again. And then we're going to knit 2 stitches and then yarn over. And then we're going to start that repeat. So that was 9 stitches. So we did 2 yarn overs for 2 increases and 2 decreased stitches. So start over with a knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, and then we're going to knit 2 together and SKP, slip, knit, pass the slip stitch over, and then we're going to knit 2 on the other side of that chevron and then yarn over, and then we're going to knit into this last stitch. So I really like that edge, very pretty, and it does have a nice, it creates a scalloped edge all on its own. And then the other side, row 2, you're going to purl all of those stitches, and then that is it on repeat. It is that easy. So I really like this stitch. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys again tomorrow for day 12. I forgot to show you my swatch so that I don't have any purl stitches. I did this using knit stitches on the wrong side, so it creates even more texture. I think I would bump it up to a size 13, so this garter stitch is a little bit more relaxed and I get a little bit more lace, but I love how that came out. So this is the same stitch, but on row 2, instead of purling it, I did a knit stitch, so it created a garter stitch. So I hope you guys like that and inspires you guys to make something. I will see you guys tomorrow.